Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe and click that notification bell so every time I have new video you guys will be notified. But I'm working on a 2020 Honda Accord 1.5 Turbo. Right now I'm doing the oil change service on it, and the oil's pretty dirty. Oh, it's kind of hot. You can see it's dark. There's the drain bolt. It says engine oil right there. That's the drain bolt. 17 millimeter. It's dark. The filter is right next to it. Let it drain out. The oil filter, the gasket, I put a little bit of new oil so it sits better. Wipe the area right there. Just hand tighten. It's good enough. For the drain bolt, tighten it down with hand. And then tighten it down so this is tight. Snug it, that's it. And check the spot. For the Honda Accord, it takes 0-20, and this is turbo. I'm putting synthetic in, so 0-20, and this take exactly 5 quarts. I'll just put in 5 quarts, and now you're gonna see it's a little bit high right here, but the filter will take some, so it'll be down to the full mark. So this is perfect. Now I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil light. I'm gonna have key on, and I'm gonna toggle through the menu. Dismiss, dismiss, press home. Once you press home, it'll get to that menu, and then go down to maintenance. There you go. Reset all due item. Reset completed. Back to 100, and that's it. Press home. Go back to my menu, and then turn off the car, turn it back on, and that's it guys. So it's just an oil change and oil reset light. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. You have any question, comment down below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible, but I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.